have already done the meaning of business environment, then categories, then after that features, isn't it? Now today we'll start importance of business environment. Okay. Now like business environment, I have already told you surroundings, that whatever forces, factors, institutions, any influencer that influence the business or that affects the business directly or indirectly, that is business environment. Okay. Now why it is important to study this business environment, as we are talking that business environment should be continuously scanned and understand, isn't it? Continuously understanding and studying about environment of the business is known as business scanning. Got it? Now why it is important means because these are the facts, these are the benefits or the important points, so that the businessman, the business has to always study about business environment. As you also I have already talked about your all round development, isn't it? Like you are in the growing stage. Now see, for your all round development, what will happen? The environment also affects, that also plays a vital role, isn't it? Like your surrounding people, like your neighbors, like your schoolings, your educational system, okay, your parenthood, everything, your friend circle, isn't it? So that way, that environment, the surroundings is affecting or in your all round developmental process. So similarly business also will get affected. Okay. Now that's why it has to be studied earlier. Now what are the benefits means? First one is first mover advantage. Okay. Now first mover advantage means, at first any businessman, if a business or the businessman study or continuously scan about this business environment, then it can get the opportunity to get the benefit at first. Okay. Like for example, you can talk about anything, Facebook or WhatsApp, isn't it? After that also we are having lots of apps, isn't it? Social networking process, but then still we are using the same. WhatsApp is so common, isn't it? Facebook is so common. The chatting things, all the things were also there, but we are only using that, or customers are preferring to use the WhatsApp or Facebook. That means that apps, that market, that business has captured the market at first and took the advantage of it. Okay. So they have studied about the business environment. Okay. The social environment most probably, or technological environment also. Got it? Now likewise, another one is warning signal. Now threats, isn't it? The business will get threats also. That I was talking about, opportunities and threats are there in the business environment or there in the environment. Okay. Now threats mean challenges or disadvantages that the business is getting, and the constraint that the business is receiving from the environment, and that will be understood by the business earlier. Warning signal, it acts as a warning signal at first. If something is bad going to happen, some negative things are going to happen, means they can understand in earlier. If they study, if the businessman will study about this environment continuously in the market, and can understand about the threats or any opportunities. Got it? Warning signal, it will get the early warning signal. Okay. For example, you can take that global companies, if they are entering their they are penetrating in our country also, by getting some new product, new features product, isn't it? Additional multi features product. But if the business domestic company will not understand about the environment, then they will lose it to the competitors, isn't it? Then they will lose it to the global companies. You know what will happen? Domestic company has to continuously study about the environment. Now what is going to happen? Got it? Which companies are producing what? Okay. So if they understand, then only they can deal with that things. Got it? Now that deal, the domestic companies will also get benefit like the global companies are doing it. Got it? Now another one is helpful in tapping and assembling resources. Now see, the resources are limited, isn't it? So according to the demand, if they understand the demand in the environment, in the market, then only they can acquire and select the that essential resources for their business. From the environment itself, the businessman can understand what are the what kind of resources has to be selected and acquired, so that they can make the output and then that fulfill the demand in the market. Okay, so another one is assisting in planning and policy making. Now see, before they make any strategies plan, or they do any policies they make in their business, they have to study the business environment. They have to understand about the competitors strategy, what things are going around, isn't it, what other business are doing, what the same competitors are doing. Okay, so according to that, they, if they make their plans and policies or strategies, then it will be like helpful for the prosperity and the improvement in the business. Got it? Now another one is image building. Now by continuously understanding and scanning the business environment, they can capture the share market, they can be the number one in the market, isn't it? So, and build up their image in the business. They can improve their productivity, isn't it? How they can build up the image? Improve their productivity, they can increase their sales volume. Okay, they can make the new product technology if they understand. Okay, if they understand all the things like all the environment, dimensions of the environment, or you can say that economic environment and the non-economic environment, and then if they that improve, then only they can become number one and can build up the image. Okay, another one is improvement in performance. Now if by continuously scanning and understanding the business environment, and if they understand about the that what we are talking about specific, okay, in specific environment, and another one is general environment. General environment affect all the business at a time, but specific environment affects the particular business. For example, we have already cited earlier in the earlier classes, like specific now what will come, that customers, suppliers, isn't it, like that. Okay, and in that thing, general environment, that we were talking about all the others, that things like dimension, these are general environment. In fact, economic, social, political, legal, technological, these environment affect all the business at a time. Got it? So those kind of things has to be understand earlier, so as to improve their performance. Got it? Now last one is help to adjust and adapt with the rapid changes. Now business environment is dynamic in nature. It does not remain fixed all the time. Okay, so it keeps on changing continuously. Means what business, and then there can be some thing which is very new to the business. Got it? So if they understand earlier about some technology and all those things, okay, earlier, and then they can adopt, and they can adopt and adjust accordingly with the change in the environment. Got it? So these are the things, importance of business environment. Then after that, dimension of business environment and economic environment, isn't it? So economic environment, as we were talking, economic and non-economic, we have considered. This one is economic and these other rest are non-economic, isn't it? So economic environment consists of what? That we were talking about what? GDP, isn't it? Fiscal policy, monetary policy, industrial policy, economic system of a country. Understood? So interest rate, for example, if interest rate is high for the business, then it will have direct impact on that, isn't it? So these economic environment has got direct impact on the business. So it has to be understood by the business, isn't it? And economic environment, what you can say, like for example, economic environment, you can say, like isn't it, the loan taken by the business which has got higher rate of interest, it will have direct influence. Okay, so it will decrease that, or you can say that decrease taking the loans from the bank. Now another one is the income level of the consumers have decreased, or say increased, isn't it? So business will prosper, isn't it? So for that way you can have, you can say that it has got a direct impact to the business. Now another comes, this is social environment. You know, social environment related with the people of the society. They have their own belief, they have their customs, traditions, isn't it? Their value, okay, in what product they give value, or what kind of beliefs they have got in the society, isn't it? So these also have this thing, this social environment will have this also that influence the business or affect the business, you know, like social environment. Or you can say that uh, if the people of the particular society, or you talk about the Indian saris, okay, for example, saris, okay, so we wear sari in India, and it has got, the sari business will have more scope in India. But it's the same sari business if it goes to the that western countries, means they don't believe on that, they don't believe on that wearing sari. This is traditional dresses, isn't it? It's only existing in India. Similarly, western dresses we don't consume that much, okay, only it is liked by the that youths of our country, not for all the people, not for all the consumers, or all the customers, okay. So likewise, whatever they believe, what they feel good, or what their custom is, okay, so according to that the business will have that scope, or the business will prosper in that particular area. Got it? Now another one is political environment. Now political environment related to what? It's about that government policies, isn't it? The direct that what the government interest, the governmental interest on that particular business, or the general whatever they make the strategy, okay, it's depend upon the type of government, the attitude of the government. So what policies, what that means the rules and regulations they prepare for the business, it will have the impact, isn't it? For example, right now the BJP government, what they did, they have made that Make in India policy. So for this, what will happen? The impact is domestic companies, they are having more chances to get prosper, isn't it? Their business will boost up, isn't it? This is an opportunity for the domestic companies in our country. Got it? Now another one is legal environment. Now legal environments already we talk about amendments. Okay, whatever is passed in the parliament. Okay, whatever the past some rules, something amendment that act will made in the parliament. Got it? So for example, what they made once, they see that it's in the Consumer Protection Act. So many acts, isn't it? Measures Act, Weight and Measures Act, something like that, Trademark Act, isn't it? So according to that, business has to deal with that. Got it? Now see, you might have seen in the cigarettes or some alcohol or something like that, which is not that much will have that good impact in the society. In that kind of product, it is written consumption is injurious to health. You might have noticed, isn't it? So these things are passed in the parliament, so that becomes legal environment for the business. Got it? Now comes technological environment. This is also very important for the business, and what it is, technological environment also should be studied, and this comes under a new technology. Got it? So what kind of technology the competitors is using? For example, see, last time, not last time, what is happening, you might have noticed that see, we are using this board, isn't it? Whiteboard. So earlier it was blackboard. We used to have that blackboard with the chalk, and which is so dust, it's not dust free, okay, it is harm to the users, okay. Sometimes the students also use that, and they might feel after using the chalk and board that dust will harm to their hair and hands and something like that, rashes and all of those things, isn't it? So nowadays that is replaced, this thing is replaced, okay. So it's become very easy, friendly, and it's very comfortable for us, isn't it? So these were technological changes. Or you can say that another thing, You can give more and more example for this technological environment. Like that you compare with the that printer and all with the typewriter, isn't it? The Xerox machine with the typewriter, and that color TV with the black and white TV. Got it? So these way the technological environment also create the great impact to the business. So these are the dimensions of the business environment, and then importance of business environment. So with the another more class we'll be going to finish this business environment chapter, and this is very short and interesting chapter, and very easy also. Okay, so you go through it, and then we'll start another chapter in the next time. Before that we'll have one more class for this chapter. Got it? So thank you.